evening, guys. So tonight we are now here in Canary Wharf in London, United Kingdom. It's already 5 p.m.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1.
Not scripted.
Honey, Canary Wharf. Sorry, I'm following you. So guys, we are now at the middle of Canary Wharf and then we're just exploring inside. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening. If you are gonna visit London, add this in your bucket list. It's really nice here.
Hi guys, if I compare this place to the Philippines, this is the Makati version of the Philippines.
Oh my god, is that a water lap? What's that? Wishing wheel. Wishing wheel.
Yeah, it's not very fucking deep though.
Snapping before our big night.
We are now here and what's the name of this restaurant, honey?
Leon.
Leon in London. Leon. So I'm gonna try this. Very starving, guys. Yes.
Their fries are really unique. They're delicious.
Delicious.
Vlog. Second day in London and we're going to the London Bridge. We have a booking there and since we went to Canary Wharf, we missed our booking. So we'll just go and see what's other restaurant, open at this time. It's already 11 o'clock. But we are night owl and we're enjoying the travel really. So we will not gonna sleep and then tomorrow we'll go back to our home.
You catch up the rest then.
Catch up the rest. Oh, happy Valentine's by the way to everyone who are watching right now. I hope you guys will celebrate your Valentine's with your husband or your wife. Spread love, not hate. This is the Shard of London. So we're walking now. Going to Tower Bridge. We miss our booking, guys. Go. Guys, my shoes is really getting bigger. When I came here, I thought I'm size 4.5. Then I realized it's small. So I get 5.5. Now, when I wear it on day 2, it's bigger pala. So guys, this is the London at night. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody!
Happy Valentine's Day.
My date is so foggy today. Kat. Enjoying love? Enjoying foggy? Cheers, love. Dos. So what movie are we gonna watch? Blurred. Ouch.